Jump in there.
Right at 1,000.
Dr. Kenneth E. Peacock established our university as a leader in undergraduate research and education. He moved the Mountaineer athletics programs to the Sun Belt Conference and the Football Bowl subdivision, following the Mountaineers' 3 straight national championships at the FCS level. He cared deeply for all Appalachian students and touched many lives in more than 30 years serving this university. So many Mountaineers from Boone to China and throughout the world will remember his smile and that look he would get in his eye right before he would tell a joke or play a prank. The university and the high country have lost a beloved leader, but his legacy certainly continues.
Heath is a junior with a 4.0 spring GPA, majoring in marketing. Let's give Heath a round of applause.
Someone you know may have been impacted. Share your story and you could earn $2,000.
Prior to the snap, timeout, Appalachian State.
The kick is good. Fans, that is your ball game.